So again, we are going to be working with our slope-intercept form. Okay, so what we know is we have to graph our line. So when we graph our line is written in slope-intercept form, so y equals mx plus b. So when we're graphing, we always start with the y-intercept. Our y-intercept is 7 because that's what's being added or subtracted to x. So I'm going to go to 7 on my y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put the dot right on the y-axis. And then I'm going to do my slope. My slope is the number that's in front of x. So in this case, it's -3. But remember, slope is rise over run. Well, so I have my rise as -3, but my run is 1. So what I'm going to do from this point is go down 3, right 1. Down 3, right 1. Down 3, right 1. And connect. So if you want to use a ruler, use a ruler. If you want to just freehand it, you can freehand it. I'm going to use a ruler here. So I've got my equation drawn and connect. So once you draw your line with your ruler, make sure you make the arrows on it. Make sure you make your line nice and long. Okay? And then we'll do one more here. So this time we have a y equals mx plus b. Our m is 4/7, which means that's rise over run. So we're going to rise 4 and run 7. And our y-intercept, which is where we're going to start, is at 1. So we're going to start at 1. So we start with 1, boom. Then we rise 4 and run 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, I like to do 2 dots in each. I'd like to do a dot. I like to have at least 3 dots to make my line. In this case, I don't have enough room to go up 4 and right 7 again. But because it's 4/7, I could do up and I could do right, or I could think of it as -4 divided by -7, which means I could do down and I could do left. So just to verify, that means if I go down 4 and left 7, that still puts me on the same path. You can see those 3 dots kind of make my line. So then I'm going to connect those 3 dots. And then put my arrows on it. Again, making sure my line is nice and long so that I'm covering the whole graph. Okay? So now it's going to be your turn to finish this packet. Oops, on the back page, I almost forgot. On the back page, they just want you to plot points. Okay, so this back page, you're just plotting points. Remember, ordered pairs are x, comma, y. So we go x4 and up 6. Then we're going to do 5, 2. 9 and -3. Okay, so just keep plotting those points.